What's happening, guys? This is your boy Busa coming at you all the way from South Africa, and I'm here to give you your weekly update when it comes to cryptocurrencies. All right, guys, so let's quickly have a look at the market condition right now. Bitcoin dominance is at 54.8%. The market cap is going back up to where it was in September. We're sitting at about now $173 billion in market cap overall, and we're sitting at about $4.9 billion in trading volume per day, which is great because back in September, early September, there's a time that we reached $190 billion in market cap before the crash happened, before the FUD that came from China, and all of the sell-off, the crazy sell-off that the people were doing. So we've seen the fluctuation of the trading volume per day going up and down, but the average in September was about $5 billion per day. So it went down to about $2 billion and it kept on going down. Sometimes it was $3 billion. So it's good to see that the market is now steady. The market is picking up. And the biggest move from last week, obviously, which is Bitcoin. We saw Bitcoin last week hitting the all-time high of $5,000 and staying above the $5,000. Now it's been trading at about 5.6 and 5.7 dollars, which is great. And I did say last week that Bitcoin will spike, or it might spike, just because of the Bitcoin gold fork that is coming up on the 25th of October, where people are stacking up on Bitcoins so that they can get free Bitcoin gold. So we'll see what will happen on after the 25th of October, if we will see a decline. But I am expecting, though, whenever price moves up sharply like Bitcoin did, I am expecting that we're going to see some form of retrace. And I'm not expecting that it will go too much way down, but for example, okay, this is Ethereum. Let me quickly have a look at USD chart. So if you can see the USD chart, it has cleared this $5,000 mark, which is now our new support. So this is our new major support. It is $5,000 mark. Let me see if I can get a line over there. There we go. So as you can see that it has cleared, and it has, it killed the $5,000 mark like nobody's business. And right now we shot up, and right now we kind of like moving sideways. We are consolidating. So two things might happen. We might retrace probably back to this $5,000 mark before we start going back up again, depending what will happen when Bitcoin Gold is released. Anyway, so I'm very happy with Bitcoin, and those who are invested in Bitcoin are very happy right now. We stayed at about 5.7. Sometimes we are 5.5, 5.6. So it's good. So Ethereum announced officially yesterday that they have executed the Byzantium blockchain software upgrade, whereby we saw that the price was at about 348, trying to get to that 350 mark. So it has since after this upgrade, which is a major upgrade in a hard fork, since after this upgrade, we're seeing that the price is moving down a little bit. Where would I like to see Ethereum? I would like to see Ethereum sitting above the above the $300 mark, and eventually going back to challenge that 400 all-time high, which I believe can still happen anytime this year. So this was the first of the two hard forks that are happening with Ethereum. So we will see the next one that is also planned out in the couple of months, that might be announced when it will take place or when exactly it's going to be implemented. Now Ripple, we had a conference this week with Ripple, and price didn't really move that much. The highest that Ripple got, I think it was 27 cents. We're sitting at about 25 cents right now. So let's quickly have a look at the markets. Let's look at the charts. And about 26 cents. This was on the 14th of October, and there's a couple of things that were spoken about in the conference, which I'm not too sure if they're going to help this currency to start pushing up, but definitely they were speaking about they were speaking with regulators in Thailand. Oops, my mic almost fell, excuse me. Anyway, so they were speaking about they were speaking to regulators in Thailand, obviously trying to implement the Ripple technology. Some of the news that I don't think it was related to the conference is the Bill Gates Foundation. They did specify that since they are going through with the mobile applications, Ripple was one of the companies that they used the platform from Ripple. So I'm not too sure how much is it related to the conference. So, but this was released by CoinDesk about yesterday also, to say that the Gates Foundation to use the Ripple Interledger tech in the mobile payment push. So we'll see. I think this might be some good news also for Ripple, especially anything that deals with Bill Gates and the Bill Gates Foundation, you know, tends to get a lot of attention. So we'll see this announcement, how will it affect the price of Ripple, and we'll see how it goes on. Right. So let's quickly have a look at other markets also. Dash is been between, you know, 280, 300 and 310 dollars. So we've been seeing some sideways there also, not really big movements on Dash. Bitcoin Cash, I think, is picking up now. It's sitting at about 342. It was at about 319 yesterday, so we are seeing a move also there. Neo is also steady at about $28 and $30. So Neo has been steady also. Ethereum Classic is also steady. So we haven't seen a lot of moves on Ethereum Classic. One coin that has made moves is the Stellar coin. Where's Stellar? Let me see if I can find it. Where's Stellar? XL. What is it called? XL. There it is. So Stellar had pushed up. As you can see, this huge spike right here. So if you can see, Stellar on the 14th of October, it was 0.01, and it went up almost 100% of its value, and it went to about 0.04. So Stellar has been also really pushing up, and that has to do with also some news that came about with Stellar and IBM. So in any case, guys, this is the crypto update with your boy Busa. Don't want to take too much, don't want to make this video to be too long. So in any case, just follow me. If you don't subscribe to the channel, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, as I do these weekly videos to give you an update what's happening in the crypto world and which coins I'm looking at and which coins I'm interested in investing in, and also as I touch on other news in the crypto space. So this is your boy Busa. I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.